Hello and welcome to another episode by CDBTC. Today is Friday, August 27th, 2021. In today's episode, we'll be talking about how more institutional investors are coming into crypto. We're also going to talk about how current institutions that already have Bitcoin are expanding their positions, how stablecoin influx to exchanges has increased, which is very good. Very important and great news is that Bitcoin is breaking the short-term descending channel it was trapped in. And we're going to close with Radium, which is one of our picks, and it just pumped 75% in one day. So if you think this is interesting, stick around. Citi is one of the latest major sell-side institutions to enter the cryptocurrency space, and they are laying the groundwork to launch Bitcoin's future trading. Currently, they are just awaiting approval. They're doing this because they saw a surge in interest from their clients who are demanding access to crypto in general. So another one down. Miller Opportunity Trust also revealed that they have 1.5 million GBTC shares. That's very important because Grayscale holds the largest Bitcoin trust in the world. And every time an institutional investor enters it, they will have to expand their Bitcoin holdings as the demand surges. And all this is happening while other institutional investors are also starting to come in. Like we said, Morgan Stanley, a Wall Street financial giant, they also revealed they have 1 million in GBTC holdings. So this is only getting better. Something that's also positive towards the Bitcoin price specifically is that crypto exchanges have seen an influx of $1.7 billion in stable coins, which could be used as dry powder to push the price of Bitcoin over $50,000, which is the key resistance level at this moment. Such a large inflow of stablecoins is often considered bullish, given the general perception that people send stablecoins onto exchanges to invest more into cryptocurrency. So let's just wait and see if those stables are used to buy Bitcoin and help us drive above the $50,000 resistance level. More bullish news is that the Bitcoin millionaire tier addresses have added 20,000 Bitcoins in just 24 hours. So according to sentiment data, the millionaire tier Bitcoin whales, which are those who hold 100 to 1,000 Bitcoin, have accumulated 20,000 Bitcoins, which is almost $1 billion. And this just happened over the past 24 hours. That means that the whales, the ones that might move the markets, are expecting the price to go up further, because you're not going to buy if you know that the price is going to go down. Seek Capital, a family office owned by billionaire Simon Nixon, has also announced its plans of increasing its crypto allocation. The office says that they see crypto as an important area of the future. The family office is also looking to onboard an analyst to help it focus on the crypto sector. So let's sum it up. Seek Digital, Michael Novogratz, Christian Angermayer, who've pledged 100 million investments in crypto center funds, Citigroup, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Fidelity Investments. Those are just a few of other Wall Street giants that have recently announced Bitcoin investment funds for clients. Now let's go to our Bitcoin analysis. As you can see, we had been trending down since August 23rd, and we've been hitting this diagonal resistance line. And today, we finally pushed above it. So our short-term downtrend has been broken, which we can interpret as that in the next few hours, Bitcoin is once again going to try and push up to $50,000. Today we had financial instruments expiring on Bitcoin, and once those instruments expired, we could see that the sell pressure eased up on Bitcoin and we started to gain up on price. So things are looking good for Bitcoin right now. And you know what that means? When it looks good for Bitcoin, it starts to look good for all. And let's take a look at Radium and what Radium did. Radium pumped in one day 81%, 81.6% in one day. Impressive, incredible. And this is what a lot of the rest of the altcoins are going to do. But Solana ecosystem coins are bullish right now. Let's take a quick look at our Dogecoin. Right now, Dogecoin is a very interesting spot. We can see that it's just hovering and bouncing over the 100 daily MA. So this is a nice place for a bounce. Bitcoin is also bouncing, so I would expect a Dogecoin bounce here at this level. Oh, and before we go, let's take a look at this Bitcoin chart. on the daily, we can see that Bitcoin had broken above this diagonal resistance, and we can see that our correction was basically a way to retest this diagonal line. So right now it's serving as support. This is also very close to the 200 moving daily MA, which we said was key. We're still trading above it. We're using it as a trampoline right now. Let's see if we can break out of here and go on to test this $50,000 resistance line, okay? It's psychological resistance. In terms of the RSI, it's still battling it down here. It kind of wanted to break down bearish. It's coming back in. So we're just gonna have to wait and see how this plays out. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, also leave a comment, and have a great weekend.